That moment when your meta ad is printing money and then suddenly it just dies. Your costs shoot up, your CTR drops, and you're left thinking, wait, what did I do wrong? Most likely, nothing. Your ad just suffered from ad fatigue. Ad fatigue is one of the biggest silent killers in performance marketing. And the worst part, it makes your ads look like they're underperforming. So most people don't even realize it's happening. In this video, I'm going to break down what ad fatigue really is, how you can spot it early, and what you can do to fix it before your budget evaporates. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Young Urban Project to become a marketing pro. A few weeks ago, one of our learners messaged me in full panic mode. Their campaign was crushing it for 9 straight days. Low CPL, great engagement, everything perfect. And then on day 10, everything tanked. CPM doubled, CTR dropped, and results almost stopped. Same audience, same budget, same creative. Nothing changed. So we checked the frequency, and that's where we saw it. Their audience had seen the same ad so many times that they were literally scrolling past it like it didn't exist. That's ad fatigue, and it happens to every advertiser eventually. Think of ad fatigue like watching the same movie trailer over and over. The first 3 times, interesting. The 10th time, annoying. The 20th time, you don't even see it anymore. Your audience goes through the same pattern. When they get bored of your ad, they stop clicking. Meta sees this drop in engagement and assumes your ad is low quality, so it increases your costs. That's why your CPR shoots up and your results disappear. Alright, this is the simplest way to understand ad fatigue. Look at this graph. On the x-axis, we have frequency, how many times the average person has seen your ad. On the y-axis, we have CTR, how often people click on it. Now watch this curve. When frequency is around 1 or 2, CTR is usually the highest because people are seeing your ad fresh for the first time. But as frequency increases, CTR starts to drop. Slowly at first, then sharply. When the curve bends downward, right here, that's where fatigue begins. And when it drops sharply, that's full-blown ad fatigue. Here's the painful part. As CTR goes down, Meta still needs to spend your budget, so it starts showing your ad to less engaged users, which means your CPR increases, your CPM increases, and performance just collapses. Alright, so let's talk about how to fix this, because the good news is ad fatigue is normal and very easy to manage once you know what to do. Number 1, refresh your creatives. This doesn't mean creating a whole new masterpiece every time. Sometimes just changing the hook, the colors, the layout, the testimonial, or shooting a quick UGC-style clip is enough to revive performance for several more days or even weeks. Number 2, rotate creatives proactively. Top performance marketers never rely on one creative. They run 10 to 20 variations and let Meta naturally rotate them. This alone delays fatigue massively. Quick pro tip, after the Andromeda update, you need to rotate faster and at higher creative volume than before. Number 3, expand your audience. Sometimes the creative is fine. The audience is just too small. If the same group of people keeps seeing your ad over and over, fatigue is inevitable. So broaden your targeting, try Advantage Plus audiences, or go fully open. Just give Meta more people to work with. And number 4, duplicate your winning creatives into a new ad set. This triggers the honeymoon period where Meta temporarily boosts new ads. It won't last forever, but it buys you time while you prep fresh creatives. If you want to stop firefighting fatigue and actually stay ahead of it, build a simple creative testing system. Test new hooks, new visuals, and new copy every week. That rhythm alone transforms your entire ad account because fatigue becomes predictable instead of painful. So the next time your Meta ads performance falls off a cliff, remember, it's probably not your product, not your landing page, not even your targeting. Your audience is just bored. Refresh your creative, rotate often, expand your audience, and use that honeymoon boost strategically. If you liked this, hit like and make sure to subscribe to Young Urban Project for more such videos. See you in the next one.